Here's a pair of the JBL Live 660 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first thing is I want to put this in pairing mode, okay? So let me first turn it on here. Here's the on-off button. Let me just give it 1 second. Now what I want, if it's blinking, what I want is a blue blinking light which will indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? I get a solid blue light here. The reason why I get a solid blue light is because I'm connected to another phone here. So for myself, let me go down here, and on the bottom here, you see that little Bluetooth button, okay? Just simply press on that once, okay? Ready? Tap it once, and then boom. Now it's blinking blue. Now we are in pairing mode. Now go to our Android phone here, go to settings, and then I go to connections, and I'm gonna go to Bluetooth here, make sure the Bluetooth is on, tap on Bluetooth. And see that spinning thing right there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up down here, and it did show up, the JBL Live 660. Tap right there. You should get a pairing request with Android phones. Tap on pair, and voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues, couldn't get it in pairing mode or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look below in the description area for that link.